these proteases are the protein degrading enzymes. All right, so that is why they are added in the washing powders. What they do is they break down the protein based stains into the peptides or the amino acids which can be easily removed after the washing. So the advantages of using the proteases in the washing powder is, it can remove the tough stains which are being produced by these the proteins, or it can be, it can work at a normal temperature, because some clothes, it will not be able to tolerate the high temperature. So we can work it at a normal temperature, because we need to, protect our fabric as well. So what they do is they work on the tough stains which are caused by the proteins, all right, and thereby removing it, converting into the peptides or the amino acids, and it can be easily washed out. So we don't want to, give a stain treatment or any other treatment after that. But we need to incorporate the amylases, that are the starch removing stains, and the amylases and the lipases. Lipases means it will be removing the oil base. Amylases means it will be removing the starch base. So along with the proteases, we need to incorporate these two to enable to, have our complete clean fabric from all the stains.